Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you've had a good Christmas and I wish you all the best for 2024. So let's get into it. Today I'm turning a blank that I actually got from Styles and Bates. I was fortunate enough to have a bit of a road trip in early December, and we got to visit Styles and Bates before it closed down, and was looking around on the racking, and obviously we bought some wood and we bought some other things, and I saw this piece of elm, and I don't know, I picked it up, and it was only a small piece, 5 inches by 2.5, 3 inches, something like that I think it was, and it had a lot of burr in it, and I thought, you know what, I'm having that, so I did. I banged it on the lathe, and I'm just making a basic simple bowl. I just really wanted to see what was inside this very well priced blank, to be honest with you. And I wanted to try out the Danish oil from Hampshire Sheen. I've not used Danish oil for quite some years, and I thought, you know what, it's a perfect piece to try it out on. So I've got a little bit of a shape into it now, and just creating the mortise, and just creating the dovetail with the Easy Woods detailer. Just going in a few times, checking it, making sure it's right, and it's done. Now just doing a couple of final passes with the mid-size finisher there. I must say, if you do get the opportunity and you're in that area to nip and see Styles and Bates, I would definitely recommend it. Lovely bunch of people up there, or down there should I say, and you can spend a good afternoon looking around the shop and the sawmill. So I've flipped it around now and just coming in with the #1 hollower. Quickly hogging this bowl out. I definitely think I got a little bit lucky with this blank, because there wasn't a lot of figuring in the middle, especially the first half of the middle of this bowl. But once you start digging down, you can see the colour change, and that's where all of the burr figuring really starts to come alive. See a slight colour change there, just as it's coming through. And now back to the mid-size finisher, just to make those last finishing cuts, those last passes. And sanding with Klingspor Abrasives from 120 up to 400. Hampshire Sheen do recommend 400 up to 400 for the Danish oil, so that's what I did. Now applying the Danish oil, I do give it a couple of good liberal coats. I'll leave it to settle for 20 minutes, let it soak in, wipe off all the excess, put another coat on, and then I left it in the house for 2 or 3 days and just kept adding a couple of coats every now and again. Then after a week or so, I took it back outside, popped it back on the lathe and give it a bit of a buff, and it come up with a really good shine. Really happy with this finish. Don't forget, if you are using any oils in your workshop, make sure you dispose of the tools, i.e. the brush, paper towels that you use. Make sure you don't leave them in your workshop because they can combust. Well, that's it for this one, guys. Just a quick one, get us back into the new year. I do have a few projects in mind for the coming year. Quite looking forward to get into those. So I'll see you on the next one. Thank you very much. See you later, guys. Bye bye.